This is an introduction to foiling and polynomials. So say we're given x plus 1. This will be our first example. We're given x plus 1 times x plus 2. And we're asked to FOIL this guy, right? What you do is you start with this variable here, this entry right here. And you multiply it times that, and then add this multiplied times this. So x times x is x squared, and then x times 2 is just 2x, right? Typically we put the number in front of the letter, right? So this is plus 2x. Then once we've done this first entry, we go to the second entry. What I like to do is just come underneath and we multiply this times this, so plus 1x, and then this times this, so plus 1 times 2, 1 times 2, right? Which is just 2. So then we can collect like terms because these guys are of like terms, that is, they are of like power, right? So we have x squared plus 3x plus 2, right? This is a polynomial. Poly meaning many, poly means many, and nomial means term, so it has many terms. So you see we have 3 terms here that cannot be combined. So this is a polynomial, a many-termed expression. So for number 2, let's consider x plus 4 and x plus 3. X plus 4 times x plus 3. So we do this times this, which is x squared, and then this same thing, this times the second term is x times 3, so plus 3x. And then we start with this guy, and we do this times this, so plus 4x. And then this guy times this guy, plus 4 times 3 is 12. I'm just going to write that out. Right? So then we can combine like terms. And I'll tell you what, you know what, for your notes, I'm not going to write that out. 4 times 3, I'm going to write it 4 times 3, like this. I'll put this in parentheses as well. 1 times 2. Okay? And then this will be x squared plus 7x, because these two guys combine because they have like powers. So plus 7x plus 12. This is the resulting polynomial. Okay? For the third one, let's consider x minus 3 times x plus 4. Okay? So we have this times this is x squared, and then this same thing, this front one times the back one, plus 4x. And then this guy, now we go to the second term, which is, the second term is negative 3, right? So negative 3 times this is negative 3x. And then negative 3 times this, negative 3 times 4 is going to be minus 12. But we just write minus 3 times 4 like this, right? So we can combine these two guys here. They have like powers. So we have x squared. 4x minus 3x is 1x, so just plus x, because it's understood to just, you don't put the 1 whenever it's just understood to be there. And then minus 12. Right? Okay, so let's do one more. We have, for number 4, I'll put it right here. Number 4 is x minus 5 and x plus times x plus 2. So this times this is x squared. Then this times this plus 2x. And then we move to the second one, the second term here. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. And then negative 5 times positive 2. So we have minus 5 times 2, like that. All right, so this is x squared. We can combine these two guys because they are of like powers. 2x minus 5x is equal to negative 3x. So this is negative 3x and then minus 10, like so, right? And so the answers are here, 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 and here. Okay, this is foiling and polynomials, an introduction. I'm going to step aside and give you a clear screenshot.